Hello, my name is Sue. My topic is how does plastic harm the environment. Introduction. I am very interested in the environment science and I care about animals and their protection. That is why I chose to focus on this topic. This systemic in plastics harms the environment because it hurts wild animals, wastes energy and creates garbage, and it pollutes the ocean and affects water quality. Support point 1 harms wild animals. The plastic in the ocean kills an estimated 100,000 marine animals each year. By eating the plastic in the ocean, marine animals such as fish are likely to experience liver function issues. Overall, animals are important to environment because help ecosystem. Therefore, plastic that hurt wildlife also hurt our planet, as the role of animals in our ecosystem is being threatened by plastic. Support point 2. Single-use plastic packets require a lot of energy to make and just end up landfill. More than 3 million plastic water bottles become garbage or litter each year in the United States. According to Sarah Clark, a grassroots environmental organization established in 1982. The amount of energy needed to produce one water bottle is equal to filling a plastic bottle a quarter of weight with oil. This is bad for environment because plastic creates garbage and air pollution. Pollution created by burning fossil fuel creates bad greenhouse that cause climate change. Support point 3. Pollute the ocean and affect water quality. Plastic particularly makes nice home for bacteria which are then transported along with the particle into different regions of the ocean where they may be invasive and cause problems. Having poor water quality is bad because marine animals and humans depend on it. If the water is hurt, fish, for example, cannot do their part in helping the ecosystem. In conclusion, because of the impact that it has on wild animals, energy and garbage and pollution, plastic very bad for environment. Plastic harms the ecosystem in many ways. It is not good for environment.